Quick tip. This pertains to the old 88 twin cam motors. Is your Harley hard to start? Do you get the check engine light coming on and off but no codes in the computer? Does it ping under load? Two things to check. Spark plugs and spark plug wires. So I decided to take out the spark plugs. They actually look pretty good, but it's been 3 years on these plugs. So I changed the plugs, and when I went to do that, I noticed that this wire, the rear jug spark plug wire, was broken inside. So it was getting a misfire on the rear jug, causing the pinging and the hot starts. If you have those issues, all three, I would check your spark plug wire on the rear jug. Actually check both of them, but make sure these are good and change your plugs out. And I think you're gonna find that that might fix your problem. I know it fixed mine. The bike is easier to start, and it idles much better, and I don't get that check engine light coming on and off anymore. One other thing that might cause that check engine light to come on and off would be too much anti-seize on your spark plugs. What happens is a lot of people will coat the heck out of these spark plug threads with anti-seize. I mean, really put it on there. And when you put these in the jugs with that much anti-seize, it gives it a bad connection. So it could cause pinging. It could cause the check engine light to come on. What I recommend is to put a very, very small amount of anti-seize on the beginning here of the threads, and then just put it in. So that way you still have good contact between the spark plug and the top of the heads. Well, that's all I got. I hope this tip was helpful. You all ride safe.